gonna do a little quick vlog. Like, it's snowing outside right now, so I'm inside and I just look through the window and I seen snow out there. So the plan that I have right now is to like just go out there real quick and move my cars around a little because the Range Rover, I don't too like it where that, you see, I don't want snow to be hitting it because as I said, this gonna be my everyday, not my everyday, but my weekend vehicle when it's completely done. So right now, yeah, the airbags, the shocks, it drop low because it's cold. So I'm just going out there and move it around, like bring that in the garage and bring the Volvo out and leave the Audi in front because the Audi is my everyday vehicle. And the Volvo for sale right now for those who don't know. So anybody looking for a car to buy right now, just leave a comment in the comment section underneath. And yeah, and we could definitely talk about that. Alright, so let me get my things together, put my boots on, and we're gonna go outside and move these cars around. Alright guys, so let's go! So my Range Rover is in the garage and the Volvo is out and the Audi is in the front, and I'm not about to go back outside there because as you could see it's snowing. Alright, so that's it, my job is done. Alright guys, so I just finished moving these cars around from point A to point B, from outside the garage to inside the garage, and from inside the garage to outside the garage to the road to back. Alright, so I'm just having a little snack right now, and yeah, that's it. So I just want to say this is good. This is good. Peanut butter and cheese. This is good. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that bell, leave a notification underneath in the notification section, and look out for more videos, guys. Alright, we will talk to you. Thank you guys so much for watching.